Hey everybody, Sean Bukowski here. Hope you're all having a great. I guess we're mid-July now. It flies by fast. That's a fact. I just got back from a family trip up in Michigan, and it was beautiful. It was nice to get out of this Texas weather for a few days, but came back and read a somewhat encouraging article on sort of nationwide multifamily rental levels. And in the second quarter, nationwide, there was minimal increase in the rental rates for the second quarter, which is good for obviously for multifamily owners, which are people who are generally who are watching this video or reading this blog. So that is a potential trend of maybe a slight recovery from the downturn that we've had recently. And you kind of look at whether that will continue. What's the result of that, and then does that mean good things for Texas too? Because while that is a good nationwide trend, sadly that trend really hasn't hit Texas. In fact, it's an apartments.com report that I'm referencing, and in that report, of the top 50 markets, Austin had the lowest growth. I guess the biggest decline in rents for the second quarter, and San Antonio wasn't much behind, and Dallas wasn't in a good spot. And so clearly, these trends, this nationwide trend of seeing a slight recovery in the multifamily market, hasn't really hit Texas yet. So the question is, will it? When? Or I guess not. Will it? Of course it will. But when will it? And you kind of look at certain things. I mean, you look inventory levels. I think we're seeing the problem right now, and especially in Texas, is stuff that was started back in 18, 19, 20, 21 has recently come online or is about to come online, and so the supply is over the demand right now. We kind of know that, but anybody who's in this industry knows right now, getting out of the ground is really difficult because of interest rates and construction loan terms and construction rates, and so it often doesn't pencil. And so getting out of the ground, there's like very few starts, I think, happening right now in Texas, and as a result, in a couple of years, I think what you'll see is that market really go back to where it was, where you have significant rent growth, assuming that the demand continues to increase. Now, is it going to take a couple of years in Texas for our multifamily market to fully recover? I don't think so. I mean, I think as the supply slows down over the next couple of years, I think you'll start to see some of the rent prices start to increase a little bit, and make it more palatable for multifamily owners, and hopefully get more starts to come around. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Please have a great week and follow our YouTube channel. We got a new podcast just released, and follow our weekly blog. Thanks a lot.